Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Troye Sivan channel analytics. Troye has uploaded 143 videos. He now has 7.37 million subscribers with a total view of 1,307,373,827 views. He's from Australia, and his channel type is people. He created his channel since October 1, 2007. The grade he got is B-, and his social blade ranking is at 643,441st. The subscriber ranking is at 1,422nd, and then video view rank is at 3,712th. He ranked at 13th in Australia and 114th in people. Next, the daily subs for Troye is around 667 with a daily view of 34,629,773. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 34,500,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $138,400. Then, monthly income will be $4,152,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $2,283,600 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $27,403,200. That is how much Troye Sivan earns from YouTube.